Here we have connected the CRO to see the waveforms at different test points and observe the pulses on TP8 and TP11. You have to use 1:10 probe for this observations. Put the switch on into 10 position. Connect the power supply, switch on the on off switch. Here we have the AC output clearly shown in the CRO screen. At TP2, zero crossing detector waveform. Here we get ramp output. Here we get the comparator output, but when we change the control voltage. Oscillator output, and here we get the pulses. Here we have the pulses. As we increase the voltage, here we decrease, then single pulse. Potentiometer is varying, so that voltage is also varied, hence these pulses are also increased. These are the pulses to trigger the SCRs. When the voltage increases, the pulses are also increased, and at the decreasing of the control voltage, the triggering pulse is also decreased. These are the firing pulses. Here on the multimeter we get the voltage after rectification, after bridge rectifier. We can get the DC voltage, put the meter in the DC and get the voltage at the load point. This is due to the rectifier, the operation of the bridge. Now operation of the fully controlled bridge converter, we connect the load here, and across the load we connect the oscilloscope using 1:10 probe. Here we connected the motor as a load in the load section and CRO across this. Use 1:10 probe and put the probe at 10 position, X10 position. Connect the oscilloscope very carefully. Don't touch with the hands. Now we can see clearly on the CRO. Change the firing angle by changing the control voltage. Here voltage is 0, the output is across load is also 0. Now slowly increase the voltage note down the voltage, and from here we get the firing angle. Set the another voltage, note down the firing angle. Take the 2 or 3 observation for the different firing angles and voltages. Here we can see clearly how we can control the output of the bridge rectifier. Take the reading of RMS value of AC voltage from here and firing angle from here and put it in the formula for getting the output voltage by calculation. Hence, we can observe all the experiments as per the manual with this trainer. Thank you.